I'm a fortunate student of Principal Ma'am to have got an opportunity to work with her. I find that she is on her toes all the time to keep us also on toes. Indeed, her level of energy to work efficiently at this age is a source of inspiration for us all. She is the solution to all our problems, Madam Hannah. We feel relaxed with her presence around. Today's function is also an output of her imagination. Ladies and gentlemen, with all reverence, I would like to call upon our Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Rajni Kanta Bisht, to present the school annual report.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Honorable guest of honor, Dr. J.C. Pant, Principal, DPS Bulandshahr, and consultant of our school, all the distinguished guests, principals, managers of different schools, dear parents and guest students. I, on behalf of the whole BLM family, our chairperson, Mrs. Adesh Agrawal, manager sir, Mr. Saket Agrawal, Soumya ma'am, all the teachers and students of BLM Academy, welcome you all on the occasion of our 4th annual function. I thank Dr. J.C. Pant sir from the core of my heart that he has come all the way from Bulandshahr to grace the occasion. I thank you all for such a huge gathering in front of me that you gave importance to our invitation and have joined us in this function. This annual function is incomplete without our chairman sir, Mr. Ved Prakash Gupta ji. He would leave us this way we hadn't even imagined in remotest of thoughts. Now his memories are with us and his mission is with us that we have to accomplish. It was his vision and far-sightedness only that this school grew by leaps and bounds. 4 साल पहले जब मैं पहली बार इस जगह पर आई, जब कंस्ट्रक्शन चल रहा था, I can well recollect the day डॉक्टर J.C. Pant सर भी साथ में थे और हमारे चेयरमैन सर भी साथ में थे. जब मैं ये लोकेशन देखने आई तो मुझे लगा कि इतनी दूर बच्चे कैसे आएंगे. I was a little apprehensive and in a dilemma whether I should join or not. इवनिंग में मैंने पंत सर को फ़ोन किया. पंत सर को याद होगा, पंत सर को मैंने फ़ोन किया कि सर मुझसे कितनी एक्सपेक्टेशंस होंगी कि हम कितने बच्चे हमें फर्स्ट ईयर में चाहिएंगे. शायद पंत सर ने वेद प्रकाश जी से पूछा तो चेयरमैन सर ने कहा कि इसकी चिंता करने की आवश्यकता नहीं है, अगर 10 बच्चे भी होंगे तो स्कूल चलेगा. Then I was relieved and today I can see the great strength in front of me. All you are with us, all you are our well-wishers only. Thank you so much. This year we had 278 admissions and in this 4th session only our strength has gone up to 792. That was unimaginable in first session. Now the बच्चे जो हैं कटघरिया से भी आ रहे हैं और लामा चौड़ से भी आ रहे हैं. It was all vision of our chairman sir and this far-sightedness that the school grew so fast. Now the responsibility on us is to maintain your trust that you have reposed in us and realize the dream of our chairman sir to make this school the best school, and that only will be the true tribute to our beloved chairman sir, Mr. Ved Prakash Gupta. This time we have, as I just told you, strength of 792 and the staff is teaching staff is 45, non-teaching staff is 6, part-time teachers are 6, which includes 5 sports teachers, 3 music teachers, 2 dance teachers, 2 art and craft teachers, 1 abacus teacher. Besides this, we have a group D staff of 20, 16 ayahs, 3 peons, 1 driver, 2 gardeners, 25 drivers and conductors, and 4 guards, total 109. This all work that you can see, इतना सुंदर जो वर्क आप देख रहे हैं, ये सब हमारे ड्राइंग टीचर मिस्टर रवि पासी और माया देवी मैडम का. रात और दिन काम करके उन्होंने ये स्टेज जो प्रेजेंटेशन आप सारा देख रहे हैं, दिस इज ऑल कोई इंस्ट्रूमेंट नहीं था। एक मटका, वो बच्ची इसीलिए भूली क्योंकि वो पहले हिंदी में बोल रही थी, हमने उसको जबरदस्ती इंग्लिश में किया 2 दिन पहले ही, तो वो बेचारी भूल गई। इसकी उसकी गलती बिल्कुल नहीं थी बच्ची की। आपने देखा कि कैसे उन लोगों ने ये बताया कि संगीत कैसे शुरू हुआ, छोटी छोटी चीजों से जो घर में अवेलेबल था उससे संगीत कैसे शुरू हुआ, ये सब हमारे बच्चों ने अभी आपको दिखाया। जहाँ तक अचीवमेंट्स का सवाल है, this is our first batch of class 10, so we don't have much to share with you because we have no batch of class 10 has passed so far. So in scholastics I don't have anything to share, but in core scholastic I have many things to share with you. 2 students of our school, Surya Pratap Singh and Dharmendra Singh, who are students of class 10, have got Governor's Award in Scout and Guide. This is a very big achievement for all of us. That is the 4th testimony our 2 students got Governor's Award. And our students have so far participated in 28 competitions, inter-school competitions. I'm talking about only inter-school competitions, 28 competitions, in which 3 trophies, 3 events, 3 trophies first, 3 trophies second, and 3 trophies third, gold medals 15, silver medals 7, and bronze medal 9. First prize is 6, second prize is 5, and third prize is 4. So these prizes our students have bagged in inter-school competitions like drawing competition, quiz, debate. I would like to share with you recently a debate competition was organized by Public School Association in which 18 schools had participated. Our school came first. Khushbu Karki of class 10 came first. It was really a matter of pride for all of us and it was a big achievement for us. Besides this, because it's not time to share all the events with you, so I'm only sharing with you the national level events in which our students have participated. So first, National Net Cricket Championship at Sonipat. Akashdeep got Rising Star Award. State Baseball Championship at Dehradun. Siddhant Agarwal got the Best Batter Award. Baseball National Championship at Cuttack, Odisha, in which boys team got silver medal. National Yoga Championship in state, we were the champion. So we went to for National Yoga Championship at Nagpur, Maharashtra. Kanu Sarwal got 6th place. Our school has participated in table tennis championship of CBSE cluster that was held at Noida, and Taekwondo Zonal Championship also that was held at Fatehpur, UP. Now, our 10 students from class 8 and 9 are going to attend All India Children's Taj Wellness Festival at Agra from 5th December to 7th December. Now, 2 students of class 6, Ronak and Ayush Mehta, will participate in robotics competition to be held in Mumbai on 22nd and 23rd November. And school provides the facilities of robotics classes and abacus classes also. Our school is not an only educational institution. I want to make a seed of social change also. And for this, you have noted कि हमारे जितने भी एनुअल फंक्शन अभी तक हुए हैं, हमने उसमें कुछ ना कुछ मैसेज देने की कोशिश की है। पहला एनुअल फंक्शन हमारा ज्ञान था, दूसरा अभ्युदय, तीसरा मुक्ति और ये है सृष्टि। हम ये चाहते हैं कि हम न केवल बच्चों को शिक्षा दें, लेकिन समाज में एक चेंज लाएं। कुछ ऐसा करें कि हमारे साथ इतने सारे लोग जुड़े हुए हैं, what we can do, nobody else can do. अभी जब एनुअल फंक्शन की तैयारी हो रही थी, तो हमने देखा बच्चे हमारा कितना मनोरंजन कर रहे थे अपनी छोटी छोटी बातों से। जो आप ये स्टेज प्रोग्राम देख रहे हैं, इससे अच्छे प्रोग्राम से स्टेज के पीछे हो रहे हैं। एक बच्चा कहता है, वो फर्स्ट बच्चा जब स्टेज पर आया, तो उसने कहा मुझे से कि वी द स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ क्लास फर्स्ट, तो हमने उसको करेक्ट किया, से वी द स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ क्लास फर्स्ट ए, तो वो बोला लिखा हुआ लेकिन केवल फर्स्ट है, फर्स्ट ए में लिखा हुआ, फर्स्ट लिखा हुआ। He was not ready to accept his mistake. He was not accepting that he has done a mistake. It was mistake of the teacher that she did not write first A. एक बच्चे से जब हमने कोशिश की कि बच्चा इंग्लिश में बोले, थोड़ा सा उसे डिफिकल्टी हो रही थी बोलने में, तो वो बच्चा बोलता है, मैडम हम पंजाबी में, घर में हम पंजाबी बोलते हैं, इसलिए मैं अंग्रेजी नहीं बोल पा रहा। Who can bring such a smile on their faces than these little children? मैं जब देख रही थी बच्चों को, बच्चे कितना हम लोगों का मनोरंजन कर रहे थे अपनी छोटी छोटी बातों से, तो एक ही विचार मन में आया कि जब ये बड़े होते हैं तो where does this innocence get lost? Who is responsible? Why these children they lose this innocence? Who is responsible? मुझे कहने में जरा भी संकोच नहीं, आप और हम। आप और हम जिम्मेदार हैं, the parents and the teachers together, that when the children they grow up, they lose their that सरलता, सहजता, that innocent, मासूमियत, वो भूलते जाते हैं। I don't know, the mistakes we commit, it is purposely done or it's out of ignorance or it's out of insecurity. हम सब के अंदर, चाहे हम टीचर्स हैं, चाहे आप पेरेंट्स हैं, हमारे अंदर एक असुरक्षा या इग्नोरेंस है, अज्ञान है, जिसके कारण हम जानते नहीं कि हमें बच्चों से कैसे डील करना है, और जिसका रिजल्ट होता है कि बच्चे जो है अपनी मासूमियत भूलते जाते हैं। हमें करना क्या है? That is to be just thought about. We all need a change to bring a change in society. If we are expecting a change from our students or our children, first that change is to be brought in us only. आत्म उपचार, सेल्फ ट्रीटमेंट, कहा गया है आत्म उपचार से ही आत्म साक्षात्कार संभव है। हम सोचें कि हम क्या करें कि हम इन बच्चों को खिलने दें। हम क्या कर रहे हैं? मुझे ये लगता है कि हम इनके उस खिलने में, उस ब्लूमिंग में, उस ब्लॉसमिंग में हम एक बाधा हैं, हम एक हाइडल हैं। हमारे स्कूल में DLM Academy में the best thing is that we love children, and that's the reason that the students that they love to come to school. We love them a lot, and that's why they are really blooming. आपको देखा छोटे छोटे बच्चों ने इतनी बड़ी बड़ी स्पीचेस याद की थी कि ये किसका नतीजा था? उस प्यार का जो हम उनको देते हैं। तो हमें सोचना है कि हम क्या करें। I humbly accept that we are not capable to make these students IAS or IPS or IAS or to crack such competitions. We can only show them the path. This is the path and you have to go on this path. हम उन्हें केवल एक रास्ता बता सकते हैं। Our students today have given a beautiful message. सृष्टि कैसे बनी, कितनी सुंदर थी और हमने उसे कहाँ पहुँचा दिया। अपने डायलॉग्स में बच्चों ने सब कुछ कह दिया। We think a lot but feel a little. हम सोचते बहुत ज्यादा हैं लेकिन फील बहुत करते हैं, इमोशंस खत्म हो गए हैं, किसी के लिए प्यार नहीं रह गया। So on this occasion, this 4th annual function Srishti, it's my humble request to you all, let us come together, join hands and create such a world where everybody is sound, everybody is safe, everybody is spiritual and can lead a blissful life so that DLM can achieve its goal, Brahmottat Lakshya. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Good night.